do you usually hear that song? In a wedding, yes. And what is the name of the song? Here Comes the Bride. Correct. So today we're gonna talk about wedding. So what do you think about when you think about the word wedding? So we have the bride, the groom, parents, the food, ceremony, and so on. And I guess all of you have been to a wedding at least once. And can anybody tell me a wedding that you remember the most? Okay, so today we're gonna discuss about wedding tradition. And by the end of this lesson, you will share with your friends about your experience at a wedding that you've been to. Okay, so let's talk about Vietnamese wedding tradition first. So, what do you usually see in a Vietnamese traditional wedding? Okay, so now let's explore the wedding of the other countries. What I'd like you to do is that please stand in the middle of the room, and then I will show a couple of wedding rituals from different countries. Um, some ritual may be similar to Vietnamese ritual. So if you think that it's similar to Vietnamese ritual, I mean Vietnamese wedding tradition, so please step to your left. And if you think that it's quite different from Vietnamese ritual, please step to the right. And then can you guess uh, which countries do they perform that ritual? And what is the meaning of that ritual? And today's speakers are from 4 different countries. So I have the picture of them in here. Can you guess where are they from? So we got George is from Spain, Sandra is from Taiwan, Ayhan from Turkey, and Laila from Morocco. Now you will listen to 4 people sharing about their wedding ritual. And then what you will do is that you're gonna match the ritual that we mentioned before to the speakers. Which ritual belong to which country? So now I'm gonna divide the class into 4 corners. The first one is Spain, second one is Taiwan, third one is Turkey, and the last one is Morocco. And I will show the list of the ritual again. If you think, and based on what you hear, what you just heard, if you think that ritual belong to Morocco, please step to Morocco, and then the same to Taiwan and Spain or Turkey. So let's start with the first one. Okay, so I got the word in here to describe a wedding. So please circle the word that you think that describe a wedding in Vietnam. Now we got a word, and I'm gonna divide the class into 4 groups again. Say, write, act, and draw. So you guys will describe a wedding tradition in Vietnam. And here's what you're gonna do. For the say group, you can only say it. I mean, you're not gonna use any, you're just using word to describe a wedding tradition in Vietnam. And draw, you just draw. I think like a lot of you like that. And write, just write. And do not discuss, just using writing. I mean, you do not speak any word. And act, yes, your job is to be actor and actress. Just act out how the wedding in Vietnam in action look like. Now it's your turn. You're gonna tell your friend your experience about wedding that you've been to. So remember the WH question that we've been working before? So who, what, where, when, why, how. But for the why, I don't think we need to answer that question with a why. So we can skip that. So let's say who. Who did you go with? Who got married? What did the bride and groom wear? What did you wear? Where's the wedding? When is the wedding? How how's the weather on that day? And then many questions that um, you can make based on these four. So those are just suggestions. And then how did you feel about that as well? All right, your turn.